What's good? Wellington is good. NLP is good. Hey, just want to share something. So I'm in Wellington doing this NLP course. I didn't want to share it because I just think I'm just going to save it for my fighters, but it's so good for me, for you, that I'm going to share it. So to get here, so it's about 18 days, takes a bit of time. You got to put in some work. There's heaps to learn. There's a test at the end of it, but I'm going to get through it. I originally started it because I wanted to improve my fighters. You learn about the brain, you learn how people think, you help them get confidence, get over anxiety, get out of phobias, hypnotherapy. So I originally did it to improve my fighters, but I'm sharing it because, you know, whether you use it on your fighters or not, it's just been heaps of self-learning for me, learning about myself, learning about my own brain. And basically learning that my way ain't the only way. That's what I really learned, that other people have their way of looking at the world. They have their way of looking at things, and you got to respect other people's way of doing things. Anyway, so I'm here. It took me 4 hours on the plane to get here. I drove 45 kilometers there, 45 kilometers back, but it's worth it. I love it. I'll tag Lynda, who I'm doing it with, so that if you want to look into it, look into her. But yeah, it's awesome, learning about the brain, learning about yourself, and hopefully I can help people more.